All right, I'm here with Jeff Hoobin here with Putco, and we're looking at the Putco Venturetech. So this is an overlanding rig. Jeff, what makes this different?
It's a modular system. One of the biggest things you're going to notice about it is its construction. So this isn't a universal application. You're looking at a vehicle-specific rack. So every SKU is going to fit a different truck. It's going to fully utilize the space available on the bed, and it's going to give you a much better fit and finish and strength, honestly, with the product itself. This is a no-drill install. All of our full-size applications are actually no drill. It's going to install in the stake pockets. There's a few benefits to that. The no-drill installation is one of them. It's an easier install process. And also, you'll notice on this one, too, that you're able to use your tonneau cover still. It's going to come with the 2 hoops. It's going to come with 2 cross rails and then 2 lower rails that you'll see on the side as well. This is an aluminum construction. What that means for you is, you don't have to worry about it rusting, but it's also light and easily shippable as well. It also adds to your payload, especially on those mid-sized vehicles. So if you have like an underpowered vehicle like a Tacoma and you start adding tents and family and friends and stuff onto it, obviously you don't want to affect the handling dynamics at all. With something that's this light, you're not going to have that issue, and you're going to be able to bring more with you on your adventure. You're looking at a retail price around $1,400 to $1,600 for the install on that. So that comes with 2 hoops, like I said, 2 cross rails and the 2 lower rails as well, and a tent kit. So if you have a rooftop tent, we're going to have the mounting available for that, and that's included with the kit as well. So it's available right now. It is shipping, so we're ready to go on it as soon as you are. So
the viewing audience can call your personal cell phone and get all the information. They can order it from you, right?
Yeah, I'll leave it in the comments, and they can reach out to me at any time, for sure.
All right, thanks, Jeff.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.